Hello guys, today we're going to be changing out the bulbs for the 10th Gen Civic TypeR SI Sport. Any model, this will work. We're going to be replacing the bulbs because I put LEDs and I guess they don't want to stay in the car. They keep blinking, flashing, so I'm going to go back to the original ones. So what you want to do for step one is, for step one, you want to turn the steering wheel to the right. So you will have room to remove the two screws, and then the plastic you remove a little bit with your hand. And for the tools, you will need a drill with a Phillips screw at the end, and like a crooked hook and a straight hook. And these are the bulbs I'm going to be using. The 168 long life. And let's get started. Flash the light on so you can see. You want to remove this one screw here. Just be gentle so nothing can break or crack. Down the side, second one. Now the plastic is free. Now you want to pull the plastic a little bit off, like that. So you have room to pry out the side marker. Then you want to take this hook, the longer one, it's more crooked, and push that. Now it's unlocked. See, the reason you want to remove this because you have to put your hand in the plastic and help it the wire so you can twist the side marker and take the bulb out. Because like that, if you don't take the plastic out, it will be so hard. And you don't want to pull the wire too much because you want to break it. So I'll show you guys when I take it off. Just forgot. Sorry about that, but there's another screw. So there's one, two, and the third one right there. Now I should be more free. More free to pull it out. And then what you want to do is take the flat, the blue one, and right in there you want to go under the clip and pick it up. For a better example, what you guys want to do, this thing is like this, yeah, locked in. You gotta put this hook in right there and lift it up, like put pressure, and it'll bring it up. You just go slowly so you won't jam it through, and it should come off. And the bulb is right there. You just release it, pop it out. See, these are the cheap LED bulbs. I'm gonna go back to original because original is the best. So now that I took the other bulb off, I'm gonna put this new one in, just like that. It's right there, nice and snug. And you go here, put it back in that bulb, and you'll lock it in place. There you go. Make sure you hear a click, because if you don't lock it in, just like put it in without making it snug, water will get in there and won't look too good. So just make sure you hear that snug click. Now it's time to put it back in. When you put it back in, the wire is like not too long enough to connect the clip back. So what you want to do is put the side marker in, make it click, and go from the inside and put it in there. And also to go. Now it's time to put the plastic back nice and snug. Make sure when you put the plastic liner in, you want to hold this thing tight like this. You know, so it could be together, because if not, it'll be open gap. So you don't want that to happen. Just when you put the screws in, you hold it together and it'll be nice and flush. Here comes the first screw. Last screw. Make sure the screw, you can see the hole through. Go. Double check everything. Be nice and perfect. Make sure the side marker is in. Now, let's do the passenger side. Now on the passenger side, you don't need to turn the wheel. It could be like this, or if you want to put it straight or put it to the left. But here's much easier. You don't need to take out the screws. You just put the yellow crooked hook, put it right there, and just pop. You push this here straight, and it should pop the light out. And then what do you want to do? See, it's like this a little bit. You want to put this hook there. See. Get a nice angle. Want to put right there, and it should come off. See, it's off. Simple as that. Put the new bulb in and pop it back in. Change the bulb. Now, when it's time to put the side marker back in, you want to slowly and gently keep this connector, so when you put this one in, it won't fall out, you know. So you keep this, hold it, and you just put little pressure and should click in. There you go. Heard that click? It's nice and snug. Now you put it back right like this. Now new bulbs are in without taking any of the screws out. Nice and snug. It's really simple and easy. Now that the side marker bulbs are in, the new ones are in, they look nice. No more like LED strobing, because the LEDs, I'm not sure why, but I put a new pair, and 2 months later they break, they blink like a strobe light. So I went and changed the new ones, and I showed you guys how to do it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.